How to add past events section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what we have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page. And after you click on section to page right here, you will find many sections. As you can see, scroll all the way down until you find the past events option and click on it. Now choose a template for your past events. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and wait a few seconds until it gives you this page. Now right here you can edit your past events easily from here. Click on the event, change the picture, the item description, and all those informations right here. It's so easy to edit, as you can see. Just click and change from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.